Alrighty, so with Josh's help, we were able to put the plate on underneath and put the nuts on. According to the instructions, it does note to just snug all of the nuts first and then tighten them another quarter turn. So it's exactly what we have done here. And that's certainly going to help, keep everything tight and in place like it should be. With that, now the next step is that there's going to be a thin bead of the marine adhesive right around the exterior of this. Certainly seal all that water out, making sure that there's nothing going to get in to corrode or anything, and it will continue to be a product that you can use and love for a long time. It does note that once you put the bead of your marine adhesive, you can just run your finger right along the edge, make it a nice, smooth, flat way to look good on your boat. So certainly a low profile mount that's easy to use, but that can even look great on the boat that you're using. So this one is pretty much ready to go here. We are going to do one more before we hit the water later. It will work with just your one dig and anchor here. Having two is going to be a little bit more stability, so we are going to put the second one